10th class, Assalamu alaikum. In Pakistan Studies class, today we are doing Nawaz Sharif's second term in office. President Farooq Ahmad Khan Laghari used his power of the Constitution, Article 58 2b, and he dissolved all the assemblies and the government of Benazir Bhutto. He announced new elections on February 3rd. In new elections, Pakistan Muslim League got heavy majority and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif came into power on February 17. When Nawaz Sharif came into power, he introduced amendments in the constitution. The first amendment is 13th amendment. As we have read earlier that President Ziaul Haq, he did the 8th amendment in the constitution to keep the power of dissolution of the assemblies by the president. Now, this power is going to be ended from the president. Along with this power, the chiefs of armed forces, they were appointed by the president. By giving these two powers to the president, Prime Minister could not enjoy all the parliamentary powers. So, through 13th Amendment, these powers were taken from the President and were given to the Prime Minister. The next amendment was the 14th Amendment. After the elections, the party members could not change their party. That is known as floor crossing. So, the practice of floor crossing was ended through 14th Amendment. This was not supported by the opposition parties and they brought the issue in Supreme Court. The Chief Justice Sajjad Ali Shah, they supported them. Due to his support, all the other judges, they rebelled against the Chief Justice. Supreme Court was attacked by the supporters of Nawaz Sharif. The conditions were very bad, but President could not do anything because he had no powers now to deal with these political situations. So he resigned from his position and Wasim Sajjad, the chairman Senate, became the acting president. Pakistan Muslim League nominated Muhammad Rafiq Tarar for presidency. Being in majority, the nominated candidate of Pakistan Muslim League became the President of Pakistan. The appointment of Chief Justice Sajjad Ali Shah was declared illegal by the Supreme Court and Ajmal Mia was appointed as the Chief Justice of Pakistan. In 1998, the judicial crises were resolved, which were created with the wrong decision of the Chief Justice. But in Northwest Frontier Province, in NWFP, there was another issue which was brought by Awami National Party. Awami National Party wanted to change the name of NWFP and they gave it the name of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. They passed this resolution in their provincial assembly. But the federal government was not in the support. So Pakistan Muslim League and Awami National Party, they were against each other. In 1998, Pakistan on the defense side, they gave their strength. On 6th April, Pakistan successfully launched Ghori missile, but on 11th and 13th May, India conducted nuclear test and they threatened Pakistan. In response of this, Pakistan also conducted 6 nuclear tests to show their atomic power. Nawaz Sharif declared his intention to work on the construction of Kalabagh Dam. But this was a critical issue. All the opposition parties, they were against this decision. Even the MQM, the Collide party of Nawaz Sharif, it also stand on the issue. Another issue was faced by the government in Sindh. The Sindh assembly was dissolved and governor rule was imposed in the province on the death of more than 200 people in terrorist attacks in Karachi. Along with this, military courts were established by the president. To solve the issues with India through bilateral dialogues, Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif signed an agreement with the Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee to solve the issues between the neighboring countries through dialogue. And this agreement was known as Lahore Declaration. The next issue was related with the launch of Ghori missile and Shahid missile. This shows that Pakistan has become a nuclear power. But there was an issue started by India in Kargil sector of Kashmir. A limited war started between India and Pakistan. But that war came to an end through Washington Declaration. But that created negative feelings against the government in Pakistan. By using the powers, Nawaz Sharif removed General Pervez Musharraf from the position of Chief of Army Staff and he appointed General Ziauddin Butt as the Chief of Army Staff. But Pervez Musharraf did not accepted the order of Nawaz Sharif and he overthrew the governments of Nawaz Sharif. And thank you.